100%.
What are we gonna make today?
What are we making today?
What are we making today?
We're gonna make Kanom Tokyo.
What's Kanom Tokyo? Tokyo? Is that Tokyo in there?
Yeah, I think it's like a Thai style pancake, but it's like it got some like
Japanese influence?
yeah. This is even focus.
Alright, they're moving a lot.
Let's go!
We're gonna start with the batter. You will need 1 egg, 1 1/3 cup of milk, a couple drops of vanilla extract, mix all the wet ingredients together. Sift 1 cup of AP flour into the wet ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of sugar. One teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix well until everything combines together. Then let the batter rest for at least 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna make the filling. We're gonna cook some ground pork in water. Add soy sauce, and ground white peppercorn. Continuously stir until the pork cooks all the way. Now we're gonna make the pancake. I put some of the batter in a squeeze bottle. We're gonna cook the pancake on medium-low heat. Once you pour the batter in, make sure it cooks before you add the filling. You know that the pancake is cooked when you see the bubble form on the top surface. Then we're gonna add quail egg. Lightly beat the yolk. Add the ground pork and some Maggi or soy sauce. Also some more ground white peppercorn. You should wait until the quail egg cook all the way through before you fold it. This one I didn't wait long enough so it was mushy. Instead of ground pork, you can also use a sausage.
Thank you for watching our videos, and please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
Bye bye!